video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark. Now, Adobe Spark has, I think, 1,000 templates of different options and things that you can do, and you can find that under spark.adobe.com/templates/. And over on the left, there are lists by topics. You can look for announcements, banners. They even have little bingo card templates, which could be fun if you have a course where that could be a fun thing to do. Brochures, calendars, create cards, certificates, flyers, invitations, logos, menus, place cards, planners, postcards, posters, programs, resume, which I have used resume. I have used the Pictochart resume, but you could definitely use Adobe Spark's resume templates to help students just practice creating resume like in a capstone class or something like that. Schedules, tags, tickets, it says. And there's so many more. Now, what I do when I want a specific kind is I actually go to Google and I will Google Adobe Spark template and then whatever I'm looking for. So I actually did that for a couple of options. The first one was a timeline. So I want to create a timeline assignment for a public health course that I'm creating or teaching this summer actually, and I want students to be able to create their own COVID-19 Ventura County timeline of things that we did to prevent the virus from spreading. And so I thought what I would do is create an example one for them, and then I would link to this template for them to start creating their timeline. And so you can search so many different options. This one is a letter option, and I wanted to show you how you can edit it. So basically it has the template. You can edit the pictures, the color, the text, everything on there. So you could have an assignment where you have a student write a professional letter. For example, I have students write letters to their political representatives and senators. And so I might have them use this template because it's so nice and it will help them to practice kind of formal letter writing. And if they work for a nonprofit or a small startup organization, when they get out, they will know how to create a nice looking letterhead. And so here's the text style. You could add a second style. It'll give you a bunch of different text options. And so I just changed that font there. Oh, it's kind of funny now looking, but anyway, just wanted to show you how you can change those things. When I select the text, so let's say I select here, you use this little button up here to edit it. And so then let's say, dear representative or something like that. And then it edits it there, and then this is a long kind of letter. You can even edit that, and it's going to blow it up really big for you, and you can have your students edit there. Now, what's really awesome is that this is creating a document. So if you go over on the right, they can share it with you, and they can publish it so that other people can access it online. And that can be nice for them if they wanted to link to it when they apply for jobs or something like that as an example. So they can get a shareable link that now makes this document public. So they would just right click and copy on that link. And I'm going to show you what happens when we go to that link. There it is. Now, I think we would have to zoom in order to see that a little bit better. Oh, let's see. There we go. So, there's also Adobe Spark can create presentations that are similar. Now, I showed and shared with you guys this essay one that I created that had pictures and then text. They can create reports where they add the text and pictures in there. So I hope that this gave you a lot of good ideas on how to use Adobe Spark. Let me know if you have any questions by emailing me or posting in our discussion board, and I will respond to those on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Thank you so much. Enjoy Adobe Spark.